Year 2022, first post-COVID year, and we are with you in Berlin in ILA 22 aviation show. So this is rather big German aviation show. It's not that big as other major events, not many visitors, quite a lot of stands. Unfortunately, organizers managed to combine things which you cannot really combine. Here you have a defense, space, like new technologies and aviation, but it's not really for the professionals. So it's like for sightseeing, for those who enjoy to understand new tendencies, maybe new technologies. For me, it was quite interesting to see the development, to have a look at military stuff like mobile hospital or whatever. And it's worthwhile to come once, probably not 2 times or 3 times, but if you come here once, that might be the show you can see. We are staying next to Airbus A380. This is the nice big bird by Emirates, and we will try to show you how it looks like, how you travel in comfort on long distances with Emirates. So this is really the aircraft to see. So, we are finishing our 3rd day in ILA show in Berlin. It was really 3 quite intensive days, a lot of things to see. You could see military, space, general aviation, everything from aviation. Not really much of each of them, but still, it's a kind of a good museum, and it's nice probably to see it as an accidental tourist. I would not recommend you to come here as a professional. I hope we've given you a proper impression of what is going on here, and maybe I would suggest you to choose maybe other events like Friedrichshafen Hour, EBACE, Farnborough. Hope you would enjoy our videos and reports we made here during these 3 days. And we would be happy to work with you as an aircraft broker or aircraft operator.